Hello everyone and welcome back to our Easy English Learning channel, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello Sarah. Hello everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi Daniel. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Today we will practice English at the airport. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Scene 1. At the check-in counter I will be the traveler, you will be the agent. Let's go. Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
Great. Your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Scene 2. Asking for directions at the airport. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is straight ahead, then turn right.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Safe travels.
Scene 3. At security check, Daniel will be the security officer.
Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Please take out your laptop and liquids.
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner.
All right.
All good. You can take your bag now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Scene 4. Boarding the plane where Daniel will be flight attendant, I will be the passenger. Good evening. Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Your seat is 14A.
Is it a window seat?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
These are some useful English sentences you can use at the airport.
Practice them and you will feel more confident when you travel.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye.